Question number 37. Even though Dr. Abdul Salam was a Qadiani, yet he brought recognition to Pakistan. He brought recognition to Pakistan? What did he do to place Pakistan's name in the limelight? The person who truly glorified Pakistan was Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Abdul Salam revealed the secrets of Pakistan's atomic assets. He didn't dignify Pakistan's name, instead, he brought disgrace to it. He did not leave any shortcomings in tarnishing Pakistan's reputation and defiling Muslims. He did what he could do in this regard. The following statement that he made, and is the part of the history, he said that I don't want to go to a cursed country where Ahmadis are declared as non-Muslims. Reference Ghadare Pakistan by Mateen Khalid. He said that he will only go to that country, meaning Pakistan, when Ahmadis will be declared as Muslims and the law against them will be repealed. He called Pakistan a cursed country, so he did not brought grace to the country, instead he tried to soil its name. He revealed important government secrets and sold them. He called Pakistan a cursed and enemy country with Islam. Those who speak well of Dr. Abdul Salam are mistaken. Their research is incorrect and their study is not accurate. They should first do research on him. Numerous books have been written about him and his activities against Islam and Pakistan. Question number 38. Qadianis have built hospitals and engaged in charitable work. How can those who do welfare work be wrong? Before the declaration of prophethood by Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, various tribes in Makkah had a treaty known as Hilful Fuzul, in which they agreed to uphold justice and provide protection to everyone. However, this treaty did not mean that the religion was based on the truth. Gangaram is a hospital in Lahore which was built by a Hindu. Does it mean that we should consider his religion to be true? Absolutely not. Similarly, Bill Gates donates millions of dollars every year for charitable causes. It doesn't indicate that his religion is true. Therefore, it is not necessary to consider a person or a community's religion as true just because they are engaged in charitable work. All charitable deeds are actions, and the acceptance of these actions depend upon one's beliefs. If beliefs are correct, then actions will be accepted. Otherwise, if the beliefs are incorrect, actions will not be accepted by Allah. The following question has been asked about those Qadianis who have been appointed as government officials or uh, are posted on the higher government ranks. So, if they are so much competent, why should we object to it? So, the question number 39. If there are competent individuals among the Qadianis and they have reached such high positions, then shouldn't competent individuals be in high positions? Competent individuals should be considered for high positions. However, if they are patriotic, as Allama Iqbal said, Qadianis are traitors to both Islam and the country. Whether competent or not, Qadianis should not be appointed to important and significant positions. By appointing those who commit blasphemy against the Prophet ﷺ and disbelieve in Islam to high positions, the welfare and interest of the country and Islam would be put at risk. If a blasphemous disbeliever were to be appointed to an important position, Muslims would be forced to have interactions with him or her officially. This would certainly displease many Muslims. Sharia does not permit blasphemers and disbelievers to be appointed to important positions that concern with the affairs of an Islamic state, as this would be detrimental to the Muslim community. Question number 40. What makes Qadianis enemies of Pakistan? Qadianis have been making efforts to harm Pakistan from the very beginning. During the partition of India, they declared themselves as a separate entity and allied with Hindus. Zafrullah Khan, a Qadiani, who was the first foreign minister of Pakistan, refused to offer the funeral prayers of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and stated, "Consider me as a Muslim minister of a non-Muslim country or a non-Muslim minister of a Muslim country." Zafrullah Khan established the Qadiani community near the border areas and continuously funded them to promote their growth, all of which came from the national treasury. They managed to reach Pakistan's atomic secrets. Records of their statements against Pakistan's nuclear explosions are available on record. Furthermore, they attempted to take control of the government during General Tikka Khan's era. Additionally, they made claims to turn Balochistan province into an Qadiani province and made Kashmir the center of their operations, as recorded in their statements. Question number 41. Do Qadianis accept laws of Pakistan? In brief, Qadianis do not accept laws of Pakistan, especially the laws passed on 7 September 1974, along with Section 298B and 298C, which are the part of Anti-Ahmadiyya Ordinance 1984. They not only refuse to accept these laws but actively work to change them. They use their resources, influence, and foreign pressure to repeal these laws. Their primary agenda is to eliminate these laws. It is quite evident that Qadianis do not accept these laws. and numerous instances and examples show that they claim to be Muslims, which is a direct violation of these laws. One law from 1974 declared them to be non-Muslims, and the other laws 298B and 298C prevents them from using the Islamic insignias and to describe themselves as Muslims. But they violate both of these laws. Despite this, they are not subjected to any sort of a legal action due to foreign pressures, international influence, and lobbying efforts. Various international organizations and NGOs advocate on their behalf, which makes it difficult to take effective legal actions against them in Pakistan. I hope this makes it clear how Qadianis view and handle Pakistan's law.